Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will add health to our AI character. Alright, and we will allow the player to damage this AI character and kill it. So open up the waypoint character AI script, then right down below we're gonna copy the method from guard. So let's copy this whole two methods and paste it right here. Then right here we're gonna remove these two lines. We're just gonna use the health right here, and the health will be decrease, and then if it gets less than or equals to 0, then the is dead will be set to true, and we will call the character die. And now in the character die, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these two. This script will be disabled, and that's it. Alright, now if we save this, and before testing it out, let me show you that this health is an integer, and if you notice the take damage is float, so it will give out an error. So that is why we're gonna change this health to float as well. Alright, then we need to get back to the shooting controller, and now from the shooting controller, just as we damage the guard, we're gonna copy it, and now we're gonna damage the waypoint character AI. So let me copy that class name, paste it right here, then in here as well, and change this from guard to AI character, copy and paste it in both of them, and that's it. So now we will be able to damage this character. Alright, and if you check the guards, alright, as you can see on the guard, this dead body pick script is enabled by default. Okay, so let me show you first of all what I mean. Alright, if we play the game, for now let's just ignore this character and move towards the card, because I want to show you what I want to do with it. So for example, if we kill this guard, alright, as you can see the dead script is already enabled and the guard script got disabled. So now we can pick him up and we can throw this character wherever we want. Alright, but if you go ahead and get closer to this character, you will notice that on this character the script is enabled as well. Okay, the dead body pick script. So if you press E, as you can see, we can pick this character up, and we don't want this. We only want to pick this character when the character died. Alright, not when the character is alive. And we're gonna do the same for this character as well, because we will be able to pick them up and then throw them wherever we want. Alright, so let's do it first of all for the guard. For the guard, if we open up the guard script right here, when the character dies, we disable the script, and now we want to enable the dead body drag script. So for that we need to create a reference. So let me just do it right here. I'm gonna create a reference to the dead body drag script. Let me name it as dead body drag. Alright, let me see the script. What was the script name? Okay, actually it is dead body pick. Alright, so make sure that you name it correctly, dead body pick. Now in the start, let's first of all set up its reference. So dead body pick will be equals to get component dead body pick, and then copy this name, get back right here, and when the character dies we're gonna enable it. So enabled will be equals to true, and copy this, then you can scroll to the start method, and when the game start, this dead body will be false. Alright, because we don't want it enabled when the game starts. So if you play the game, you will notice that this script will get disabled. As you can see, so now you can go ahead and kill any guard, and you will notice that the guard script will be then disabled and this script will get enabled. Now let's do the same for the character AI, and then we're gonna test it out if it works as we expected or not. Alright, so first of all we need to add the dead body pick script to this character, so let's drag and drop it. It needs the player, then the dead body pick area. So for the pick area, inside this character, create a pick area, move it up, and make sure it is right here at the back. Alright, this will be the pick area, so drag and drop the pick area in there. Then the hand position of the player, so here is the hand, drag and drop that, and then the player animator, actually not the character animator. Alright, once you do that, then we can close it and open up the waypoint character AI script. And now first of all, when the game starts, we want the dead body pick script to be disabled, so we're gonna just copy that from here. First of all, the reference, then set up the reference and disable the script. So we're gonna copy and paste that two lines right here, and then when the character dies, we're gonna enable the dead body pick. That's it. Alright, now if we play the game, there is the character, let's shoot it. Alright, the character dies, but if you notice, the character is still walking, and this is not good. But now the character stopped walking, so if we pick it up, alright, we are unable to pick it up, and it also shows an error right here that there is no character controller attached to character one game object. Okay, I get it. This is because the dead body pick script has a reference to a character controller, and as you know that this character is not using any character controller, it is using nav mesh agent. Alright, so for example, if I add a character controller, here it is. Okay, it doesn't work. Let me close the game and find a solution for this. So the solution for this will be pretty simple. Alright, if you have any other solution in fixing this issue, you can also tell me that. But what I found about this is we will add a character controller to this character, alright, and set it up. So as you can see, the character controller is down below. So what we want to move it up, decrease its radius to 0.3 and height will be 2. Alright, so the character controller is perfectly matched right there. Now what we want to do is right here from the dead body pick, let's copy this character controller line, which is the reference, click on input manager and not input manager, waypoint character AI, and paste it. Alright, when you paste it, then get back and copy the reference line again and paste it in the start. Okay, so now when the game starts, what we want to do, we want the character controller to be disabled. So character controller dot enabled will be equals to false, and the nav mesh agent will be enabled. Alright, just the character controller will be disabled when the game starts. After that, when the character dies, right here what we want to do, we want the nav agent or the nav mesh agent to be disabled. So dot enabled will be equals to false. Alright, and we want to enable the character controller, and also we want to disable the capsule collider. So capsule collider dot enabled will be equals to false as well. That is it. So now you will notice when the game starts, the character controller will get disabled and the character can walk. Okay, and now if we go ahead and kill this character, okay, the character dies. And now as you can see, the nav mesh agent capsule collider get disabled and the character controller is enabled. So now we can go ahead and pick this character up, as you can see, and we can move this character wherever we want and then drop it there. Alright, as you can see, it works really good now. So in this way you can fix this issue. Alright, for this character. And the same gonna work for the guard AI. Okay, if we kill the guard, we will be able to pick it up, and when the guard is alive we will not be able to pick it up because the dead body pick script will be disabled. And the same for the character. So make sure that you follow this step one by one and don't mess it up. And now with this done, let's end this video right here.